Chapter 7, Algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is the branch of mathematics that uses letters in place of some unknown numbers. You've been using algebra since your early schooling, when you learned formulas like the area of a rectangle, with width W, height h, of equals W multiplied by h. We used letters to stand for numbers. Once we knew the width and height, we could substitute them into the formula and find our area. Another one you may have seen is the area of a circle with radius r. A equals pi r square. As soon as we know the length of the sides, we can find the area. Algebraic expression. In mathematics, an algebraic expression is an expression built up from integer constants, variables, and the algebraic operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentiation by an exponent that is a rational number. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Before we see how to add and subtract integers, we define terms and factors. Terms and factors. A term in an algebraic expression is an expression involving letters and/or numbers, called factors, multiplied together. Adding and subtracting terms. Important, we can only add or subtract like terms. Why? Think of it like this. On a table we have 4 pencils and 2 books. We cannot add the 4 pencils to the 2 books. They are not the same kind of object. We go get another 3 pencils and 6 books. Altogether we now have 7 pencils and 8 books. We can't combine these quantities, since they are different types of objects. Next, our sister comes in and grabs 5 pencils. We are left with 2 pencils and we still have the 8 books. Similarly with algebra, we can only add or subtract similar objects or those with the same letter raised to the same power. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. Let's see how algebra multiplication works with a series of examples. Dividing algebraic expressions. We can divide an algebraic term by another algebraic term to get the quotient. The steps below show how the division is carried out. How to divide algebraic terms or variables. Step 1. Write the division of the algebraic terms as a fraction. Step 2. Simplify the coefficient. Step 3. Cancel variables of the same type in the numerator and denominator. How to divide algebraic expressions. Step 1. Factorize the algebraic expressions. Step 2. Cancel factors in the numerator and denominator where possible.